equation of the parabola when the vertex is shifted to alpha beta while its axis remains parallel to x-axis or y-axis. Now one figure can be like this, and then we can draw with some other figures. Now just going for this figure first. Now let the vertex of the parabola be shifted to alpha comma beta. Now each of the four forms x and y are replaced by x minus alpha and y minus beta respectively. Now any one of you who is going to answer that what basically this is? Yes? Good. This is the transformation formula which we have already done it. Now same thing are replaced by x minus alpha and y minus beta. Now thus the parabola with vertex alpha beta and opens along, now this has been opened along the positive direction of x axis, opens along the positive direction of x axis can be written as y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a x minus alpha. And if you remember what is 4a? 4a is the length of the latus rectum. Okay. So now let's expand it. What we are having? Y square minus 2y beta plus beta square is equal to 4ax minus 4a alpha, and the whole equation we can write it 4ax is equal to y square minus 2y beta, just write it 2 beta y plus beta square plus 4a alpha. 4ax is equal to y square minus 2 beta y plus beta square plus this shifts to this side plus 4a alpha. Now x is equal to what? X we can write it now 1 upon 4a y square plus negative of 2 beta y upon 4a plus beta square minus 4a alpha upon 4a. Okay, or this we can write it x is equal to 1 upon 4a y square plus 1 upon 4a negative of 2 beta y plus 1 upon 4a beta square minus 4a alpha. X is equal to ay square plus by plus c, where a and b are coefficients of y square and y respectively, and C is constant. Is it clear? Now finally a small recap. Now what we are having? The equation to the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis can be written as x is equal to ay square plus by plus c, where a, b are coefficients of y square and y, and c is constant. One thing, and second thing, the equation to the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis can be written as, and we are going with some examples also for this, can be written as y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a and b are coefficients of x square and x, c is constant. So this is the equations of a parabola when vertex is shifted to alpha and beta.